Hello everyone. Welcome to the webinar where we have a deep discussion about cryptocurrencies and Forex setups. I will share the good and bad setups with you, so choose wisely. If you have any questions, just feel free to use the YouTube and TradingView chat and just give me quick confirmation if everything works properly. Okay, so for those who are listening on TradingView, please use the chat to let me know that everything works properly. And for those who are listening on YouTube, I will also want you to confirm that we have everything good. Guys, please just don't be afraid to use the chat. Okay, all good. Thank you for YouTube confirmation. So probably TradingView should also work properly. Just don't be afraid to use the chat. Okay, so let me know first, what would you like to watch first? Do we start with crypto or we should start with Forex setups? What you guys are interested? Thank you for the confirmation on TradingView. Okay, see now everything works fine. So let's use the chat and let's see what you guys are interested to watch first, the crypto or Forex pairs. Crypto. Okay, so we have one guy who is for crypto. How about the others? The other one is also for crypto. Someone is for the USD cat. So Forex. Okay, so crypto. Okay, 3 versus 1. Let's see who will win. Let's go. Okay, we have 2 guys who are for crypto, 3 guys on crypto on YouTube, and one is on TradingView. So 4 people for crypto, one for Forex. Let's see. So guys, keep going, keep commenting. Let's see what to watch first. I think that there are a lot of crypto guys. Crypto mania has just started, as I can see. So it looks like that everyone trade just crypto. That's perfect. Okay, I see that. It's really trending. We're also making nice money. The Bitcoin has hit at really high levels. Okay, so I know and I understand you guys why everyone is trading just crypto. USD cat will be quick one, yeah. So probably we'll have to wait a little bit more because as I can see that many more people are interested for crypto. So I will start with the crypto first, then we will go on the Forex pairs. Okay, Mr. BQX is here, so I see that you took a really nice profit. Okay, I know that you've been trading it and you take a nice profit on BQX Bitcoin. You did a really wonderful job. And I also got a lot of positive and good feedback from you guys that you guys are making a nice money from my weekly market outlook and the webinar. So this is the purpose of this webinar. I would like you that every one of you will learn something and make some money from it. Okay, so if you watch my previous weekly market outlooks or the webinars, however you call them, you will definitely learn something. So if you will be happy, just share with friends so they can also learn something, and it's totally for free. I took a buy on USD cat on Friday. I'm in trouble. Yes, you are in the big trouble because if you took the USD cat on buy, then you may end up with the losing trade. It doesn't look it will reverse really soon, so yeah. We'll watch that. You can type the entry. We will watch where you have entered and what you can do. So let's go. Let's start with the cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, as you can see, we are making all-time high. Okay, it's doing really good job. I'm still holding the buys on Bitcoin. Okay, I have bought Bitcoin Euro. Okay, not Bitcoin USD, but the chart is the same. Bitcoin Euro. Okay, I've bought it somewhere there, and I'm keep holding. Okay, so my capital has grown really nicely. If you will take a look, okay, I already made 85% of my capital. Okay, so this is a really good investment. So many of you people are asking me now to start with the crypto and trading with Bitcoin accounts. I don't recommend you. Okay, so I really don't recommend you to start right now because the Bitcoin needs at least the correction. Okay, so if you want to start now, you will be buying it at the top. At any time soon, it will go into the correction and you will end up with a small drawdown. Okay, so rather wait. This is my personal opinion. Rather wait for the correction than get in. Okay, you will have much better entry point. So let me know who is still holding the Bitcoin. Do we have any Bitcoin holders over there? I'm one of it. So let me see if any one of you is holding the Bitcoin. Just don't be afraid to use the chat. Let's go, let's go. Use it. Brave man. Yeah. Holy exam to the airdrop. That's great. So one is typing hello, you already joined us. You are welcome. Holding my Bitcoin from 30k. You, whoa, you're doing really nice job. Okay, so you're holding it from 30k. It's also a really good entry point. It's close to mine, okay? But I'm holding the Bitcoin year, okay? My entry point is a little bit different. Okay, this is where I get in. 25k euro. I'm yet to get on it. I'm too late. Yes, you are a little bit too late. Okay, so now you have to wait for this pullback, which I'm showing already, at least this one, but I'm expecting quite deeper one. Okay, deeper one, it will be better because it will give you much better risk to reward ratio. There's a speculation that Bitcoin will fall again in September. How true is that? I don't believe in those news. Okay, I never read news because I don't trust them. They are just talking bullshit basically there, and they will never put out some news which will help you. Okay, they will just confuse you and you will lose your money if you will be reading news. Okay, so try to stay away from reading the news. This is my personal opinion, what I do recommend you. Okay, so it will be much healthier and profitable to stay away from reading news. So let's go. Let me start. Let me start with the Bitcoin. If you guys have questions, just use the chat. Feel free to ask anything. At what price is the correction? For now, the price of the Bitcoin will correct at least back to the trend line. Okay, this will be the first correction. If this will be slow, then you can anticipate one more up, and then it will go for a bigger correction. Okay, so this is what you have to be afraid of. This thing will not go far. Okay, we are already having this big move over there, and this move needs to correct itself. Okay, they always does. Okay, they always does. If you watch it, they go, they pull back, 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 they go, they deep pull back. Okay, there it goes, the deep pull back. So what do we have now there? They go correct, they go correct, they go correct, they go, and then deep correction, and then they go. Okay, so be aware, keep that in your mind that this will happen at any time soon, and I don't want you that you will get in trouble further. Okay, so you have to be prepared, you have to understand what the market will do there. So any spike down will just give us the correction. Okay, the bigger this first impulsive spike will be, this will be the better. So if we will have a big spike over there, then this will indicate that we'll have a big sideways there, and then we'll go really, really fast. Okay, so this will be a good opportunity to add some buys over there. Okay, so for those who still didn't bought any Bitcoin, hold your money, wait for the opportunity, watch our webinars, and I will show you when you will have to invest. Okay, so if any one of you is interested also to join our my academy, okay, we are having Forex and Crypto Academy. We are watching all day long the potential setups. We're doing wonderful job. Okay, previous week we all already made more than 100 and 1,200% of the profit. I personally also doubled my account, so yeah, it's going really good on crypto and also Forex. We are watching the charts closely. There are a lot of good setups. We'll show you later on what we were trading. So let's go. Now you know already what Bitcoin will do. So yeah, let's go. Let's start with the others. Bitcoin here is the same chart. So this is just the copy paste. XRP. So what can you anticipate about this one? Will go at any time soon. We will see the wave to the upside. Okay. So what the price is doing, this is the correction which will start to pushing higher at any time soon. Okay. So be prepared for this kind of the movement over there. It could happen really fast. Probably next week we will see this movement. Okay, we'll put you an arrow over there so we will know what we are anticipating. Okay, at least tagging the top, then we may see the sideways movement before pushing higher. So big daily correction before market will move. So yeah, if you feel comfortable, you can find your buy setup over there. Any buy flag, you can take the trade. Okay, so you may watch for the strong break to the upside, you can take the trade, and then you will watch it. If you find the flags, you can keep on adding your trades all the way back to the top. Around the top, you will be watching to take off your profit. So Ethereum USD, what can you anticipate on Ethereum USD? Yes, this is what I can see there. This is the first impulsive movement, and yeah, there will be the sideways movement, and then this will keep pushing higher. This is one step ahead of the Bitcoin as it looks like. Okay, exactly this is what I do anticipate on Bitcoin to appear. Okay, so first impulse, then going higher, one more impulse down, and then it will go to the upside. So sideways, big sideways there before continuation to the upside is what I do anticipate exactly on the Bitcoin in the upcoming days. Okay, so yes, sir, I just skipped. I just got a private message that I skipped the Bitcoin dominance. Yeah, I will show you the chart right now. Okay, here it is. So what I do anticipate, this was the previous week. We've been watching for strong break to downside. It started to break and then it just started to reverse. So what is it trying to do? Okay, can I buy there? Yes, of course you can buy above there, but be really fast. If this will start to struggle, take it off on a break even. Okay, so this is the prediction which can help you figure it out. If it will start to break down, you will know what to do. Okay, it will go down. So how far it can go down? It will go down tagging that 57 area. Okay, so 57 area will be tagged and then it will go to the upside. So this can really nicely identify that we will see some move to the upside over there. So we have some questions. Where you are finished, please look at pound. Yes, please be patient. We will watch the Forex pairs after I will finish with the crypto. Okay, I will go through all those pairs. As you can see there, I will watch all Forex pairs. Okay, all of them. We will watch them deeply. I will show you the structures. I will show you what to wait and what to trade in the upcoming week, like I'm doing now on the crypto. Okay, so please stay with me, stay patient, watch the crypto. Okay, you may learn something new, but this stuff you can also apply on the forex. So this is what I'm trying to say. Can you look at LTCUSD when you can? Yes, it's supposed to be there. If it's not, I have to add it. I will just add it because I think that I don't have it. Okay, look at that one. I'll put it there. It's supposed to be there. Okay, I don't know why it is not there. So XRP we already take a look, so you know what to do. It's going higher. LTCUSD. So let's have a look on daily first where we are. Okay, we are quite at the top over there. So be careful. All the main currencies needs its correction. Okay, what it will be perfect there is if this will go a little bit lower, okay, giving you the running flat, that will be perfect for a buying opportunity. Okay, so then you may target somewhere to 270. Okay, something like that is what you will target if this will plays out. But let's wait a couple more days. Okay, I really want to see this going lower. Let's see what 1 hour is saying. 1 hour could start push to the upside. Okay, so that may be finished. So what you will do in the upcoming week is let's wait for the flag and then you can take a buy. Okay, you can buy and be careful on the previous stop. This is what you can do, and yeah, probably this will be all what you will get. Okay, so 264 will be your target somewhere there. Okay, so be aware. This, come on, what's going on with this tool? This is what you're aiming. Okay, so this will be your target. I don't see that this will explode to the upside. Okay, at least not yet. Okay, I want to see that this will go higher, then give you the bigger correction. Again, one more running flat, and then big wave to the upside. So yeah, you can go for this short-term buy order if you feel comfortable. What about ANJ, please? Yeah, I will show you. Okay, it's down there. This one will be. It is on my list, sorry, and I will show you into the details. DOGE, please. Yeah, of course, DOGE. Who is still holding the DOGE? I can see that some of you are still holding the DOGE over there. You are welcome. Okay, so just use the chat. Uh, DOGE. Okay, so DOGE holders. Do we have any DOGE holder? Hope we don't have it. Okay, so because there's a still momentum to the downside. Okay, so still price can push lower, lower, lower. Okay, this is still not over yet. Okay, if you watch there my published, I what was that? Sorry, I just misclicked. Okay, if you go to my profile, Wave Master, you'll find that Dogecoin and Bitcoin. I have posted the analysis over there, which which is not ready yet. Okay, as you can see, it just went lower. This was one buy setup, and if you took it, you should supposed to close it on break even. Okay, and then what the price is doing, we are now struggling somewhere there. This is still not ready for buy. Okay, so as you can see, I have posted there the comment that you're supposed to not be buying it. Okay, it's not yet there, the buy is not yet there. Okay, and stay away from buying it too early. You will end up with some trouble. So it is possible to check TRX and quantum. Yes, it is possible, but stay with me. Down there is this quantum, so you have to wait. I will go step by step, every chart by chart, and then yeah, let me finish the dodge first. So what you will do, let it wait. Okay, it will go probably down, and then you can start buying it. Okay, so what we can see is the tag of this bottom. Okay, they may also break it. Okay, they may also break it, so be careful that you will not be getting into this trade too early. Okay, avoid yourself to jumping into that trade too early. If this will breaks out, okay, so if you find any break up, any correction, take the trade. Okay, take this trade over there. It can go all the way back to this top and it will be worth of taking it. But for now, as you can see, that there is no buying opportunity. Okay, we have recognized this in our academy that there was one sell and you're supposed to close all your buys. Okay, so it's doing as predicted now. Sky. Okay, what do we see on the sky there? This one is going into the bit bigger correction. Okay, we've been buying in our trading academy. We've been buying this. Okay, we saw that buy is coming. We took a buy, and some of clients or some of our traders took their profit off. Okay, let me show on 1 hour. Okay, some of our traders took profit somewhere there. Some of them took it to the top. I personally close with the break even. Okay, so my buy was there. Okay, this is where my buy was. One of our traders catch it somewhere there. Okay, so because he was awake early in the morning, so he bought it somewhere there. My buy was there, and yep, those who took the profit there did a good job. I personally didn't, like I said, because I wanted more. Okay, and basically on the based on that, we know that we will got a break even, and then we just got hit on a break. Okay, so this is not bad. Break even, it's always a good idea because you're always safe, you are not losing money, and you can invest in something else. But on Sky, what we can have over there is a little bit lower. Okay, at least break of that low. Break of that low, it's quite possible over there, and then we may start seeing some turning point. But for now, stay away from it. Okay, it's keep pushing lower. BNB, please. Yes, we will watch the BNB also, but I think I will have to add it on my watch list. It's not on my watch list, so yeah, we'll watch it. Let me know if I will forget it, okay? I should not forget on it, okay? ADA, so Cardano, the many of people are asking me for the Cardano buy, okay? As I also recognize that many of the group traders and Facebook traders are talking bullshit, where to buy, where to sell. Okay, they have no idea. Try to avoid for listening them because they have totally no idea. I've seen that they were buying it somewhere there. That's that makes no sense. Okay, so they were buying it there, then they were closing. Okay, because they were panicking it can go down. So that's just the stupid mistake what they do because they think that they know how to trade. Okay, so don't listen to them. What you'll have to do there on Cardano is let go deeper. Okay, that's not looking good. It will not push higher. Okay, I also bought it somewhere there. It didn't go anywhere, and I ended up with a break-even trade. It doesn't look good. The momentum it's not there. That 1 hour may start pushing higher. Okay, but what you can do is you can help with your trend line, pull the trend line over there, and then you can watch for the strong break to the upside. Don't buy only on small candle which will cross the trend line. Okay, that's not a buy setup. You want to see the strong wave or strong candle, sorry, strong candle, then you will get in and be aware once the price will tag those tops over there because it can return. Okay, so you have an expanded flat there. So try to avoid that kind of the mistake or be prepared for this situation over there. So if you bought there, watch it. If it goes down, close it on break even and buy back over there. Okay, you will always watching your account grow. Okay, this is the reason how I trade my traders to trade. Okay, we just don't close our eyes, just press the buy and watch the chart after 2 or 3 months. No, we want to take that profit and then we wait and then we are always focusing on the profits. Okay, we are not holding the trades. Okay, holding the trades, it's not for you guys. You will not make money from holding the trades for 2, 3, or 6 months. Okay, this is really not good option to do this because you also don't have a big capital. If you have 500,000 or million, then you can do this kind of stuff. But if you don't have that kind of stuff, you cannot do this because you will not make any money. On the average on the year, what you will make if you will trade like that, you will make, I don't know, 10 or 15%. Okay, so you will be pure. Okay, you will be poor. So how we trade? I have many questions as people are asking us how we trade. Okay, so what we do, we buy there, we take our profits. We buy there, we take our profit. We buy this, we take our profit. We buy this, we take off our profit. Okay, so as you can see, we took there, for example, let's calculate this. Okay, so we took 30%. Oh, sorry, 30% there. We took 33% there. And 37% there, and then 50% there. Okay, you see, guys? So this is how we are trading. We are always keeping our account grow. Okay, so there is 30, 30, 60, 90, 130% of the profit is there. You see, we already booked that kind of the profit. And then what we do, we are waiting for a new setup which didn't appear, so we don't have any open trades. Okay, we just watch how people are panicking, how they are getting frustrated because they are keep watching where to buy and so on. And yeah, this is the most common mistake that people does. They are just waiting and getting frustrated and then they miss the move. Okay, so look at this kind of the number. So if you'll be holding it, how much you'll make? You'll make 100%. Okay, if you'll get in there, if you get in there and hold your trade, you will make only 96%. Okay, this is how much you will make there. And yeah, this is not good, but you are risking all your profit. Why? Because this can turn down at any time soon and you will have 0% booked on your account. Okay, you will be again where you were. You only waste your time. Okay, so you waste your time for nothing. You even didn't make any money and so on. So try to avoid doing that kind of the mistake. Okay, always taking your profit on the correction. So let's go BQX. Where's this BQX guy? Okay, are you there? Let me know if you're still there. I know that you are listening and watching our weekly market outlooks into details. So yep, there was a nice buy over there. Okay, so for those who are taking your profit over there, you also did a good job. This is my personal buy. This is where I get into the trade and I took it off somewhere there. Okay, so this is where I get out of my trade. So I've made at least, oops, sorry, I made 48% of the profit. Okay, so this is the minimum what you should have. Okay, or if you took it off somewhere there. Can you still hold it? No, guys, don't hold it anymore. Don't get in now. That's gonna probably just hit that high and then it'll go into deep pullback and then it will continue its way to the upside. So don't get in there, okay? It's not for you anymore. And yeah, it is already correcting, as you can see. Okay, we have a three-wave structure over there. A classical flat formation is in the making over there, and you can consider buying it. Okay, so you can see there it is still trying to push higher, so this move to the upside is there. Okay, so what you can do, you can trade it back to that high. Okay, back to this high, and you will see what the price will do. If it started to drop down, then you have to take off your profit close on break even at least. Okay, we'll see how it will play out, but yeah, definitely watch this. Probably next 2, 3, 4 hours, you're supposed to see any buy over there and take it. Take it if you would like to go for it for this short-term wave. I'm not personally interested for that small moves. I only want big moves. Okay, when I get in, I want to have at least 50 to 60% of the profit. Otherwise, it's not making sense to get in the trade. Okay, I'm risking more than I will be making. So yeah, I'm the guy who loves the profit. So let's go. Luna Bitcoin, what do we have there is the price will be keep pushing lower, so it's not ready yet for buy. This is not a buy. Okay, so if any one of you get in there, this is not a buy. Get out immediately. Okay, so what you can do is watch there. If the price will be struggling and giving you any buy stop, then you may consider buying it. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Watch it now. This is the flag, and any strong break above high, you can buy. Okay. Otherwise, what can do? The price can just struggle and push lower. You'll end up again with a drawdown on your account. So try to protect yourself from the drawdown. GRT, okay, this one is still not completed yet. We'll probably see the break of this low and then we may see the turning point. Okay, turning point, it's still not yet there and we just have to be patient before we will see this turning point. So no buying yet. It is showing a little bit lower. Okay, so a little bit lower, at least breaking the previous low. Okay, this is what we will have. Break previous low, then you may consider, or then you may start watching for your buy stop. Nano, okay, Nano, it's keep pushing lower. As you can see that the chart can go and also tag new lows. So what the structure looks like, this will be the impulsive movement, this is the corrective movement, and the price will keep pushing lower, will break this low, and then you may consider watching it for a buy. Okay, so this is the big daily structure which is trying to appear over there. Okay, let me just draw that for you guys for your better understanding of the market. Okay, we are having a big correction over there. We'll go and tag that bottom before it will start to rise. Okay, so you can tag that low. This is not a support and resistance line, just for your understanding, because as you know that support and resistance is not working and you're supposed to not use any support and resistance on your chart. Okay, you will end up with a big losses on your account. You will basically blow up your account if you will be using the support and resistance. UMA Bitcoin, this one is also losing its momentum, but it can still go a little bit lower. Hehe me here. So are you using? I hope that you're not using it. Okay, so let's go. Let's start with the analysis. UMA Bitcoin. This will go probably one more low. Okay, then we will see that the chart will start to push lower. So it's not the buy. It's not ready yet. Okay, don't blindly buy. Okay, it's not ready yet. Don't try to guess where is the end of the chart or where is the low. You will basically have a lot of problems if you will be trying to trade by guessing where the top is and where the bottom is. Okay, this is not possible, and if you would like to do that, then you will lose your money for nothing. FOR Bitcoin, it went up. Okay, been watching for those buys, took some buys, and yeah, there wasn't a lot of profit. Okay, at least 55%. There was in our trading room. We've been watching for this buy over there, and now it's gone. You can't do anything probably until you will see that the Bitcoin USD is rising. You supposed to not see any buys out there. Okay, none of those altcoins and not even the DFI coins will be ready. You'll have to be patient, and you'll have to patiently wait that the Bitcoin will start to correct. Okay, if you will be buying or if you will be buying the altcoins once the Bitcoin is rising, then you may have some troubles. Hi Argolan, please. Yes, we will watch it. Did I miss XRP? Yes, you did. Okay, XRP was there at the top, so you missed it. Okay, so just watch the recording. When this is over, you will be able to see the streams. It's uploaded on my profile, and if you will go under the tab of streams, you'll find there the recordings, and you will be able to watch it at any time. Okay, and you'll also be able to watch it on YouTube if you go simply to our channel, my channel, sorry, Wavemaster channel. You will see that there is the recording. And if you have time and if you would like to learn something, just watch the previous weekly market outlooks. I can guarantee that you will learn something new and powerful. Okay, and you can immediately apply that on your chart, because I can see that a lot of people are doing really good job. I got a really good feedback from them. They are making money, so I can bet that you will also learn and make some money from only watching those webinars. Uh, I'll go buy or wait. Let's see. Okay, we'll watch it now. Uh, Comp Bitcoin, do we have anything there? No, not yet. Okay, be aware, if this will aggressively break the downside, then just ignore it. Okay, then we will not be watching them. Algo Bitcoin, Bitcoin, let's see. Okay, it's keep pushing lower. Okay, hope you are patient, buddy. Stay patient, because this algo, okay, it's still showing some more down, and it's not ready yet. Okay, we have to wait more. Okay, this is where we were watching it closely. The buy didn't appear over there, and you should do the same, right? Okay, so wait on the algo. It's not ready yet. I will delete those trend lines. Sometimes those trend lines are confusing, but yeah, let me just draw that for you. Okay, so this is what you can have there. This can just struggle, and then it will start its way to the outside. Okay, so you have to let the Bitcoin go higher. Okay, so all the altcoins are showing that the Bitcoin will go for one short-term buy. Okay, short-term buy it's on Bitcoin, and you will have to stay patient. Probably next 2 to 3 days, the Bitcoin will finish its move to the upside, and then you'll have a wonderful opportunities there on the altcoins. Okay, thanks for the advice. You are welcome. Okay, I'm always there to help. Just feel free to ask if you have any questions. I'm here to answer all the questions that you have. And yeah, I will be happy if you will make money. VTech, VTech. Sorry, I just didn't say it correctly. Same there. Okay, some more down and then going higher. The structure is getting bigger. This is what we are getting over there, and yeah, it will just struggle there. This Bitcoin move has to finish. It was going to sell all good 50% of profits to go into ADA because of the hype. Don't get in too early, buddy. Okay, just watch. Just watch. Okay, don't get in too early. If you really would like to get into this ADA, rather wait for the strong break to the upside. Okay, don't get in on the any early entry. Okay, they can just break down. We are having a problem over there. Why do we have problem? We have a nice structure over there. Okay, and here's the problem. Here's what the chart did. It made a new high. You see, this is what can have. We made. Let me just delete that and then for your understanding. What the chart did, it made a new high. So this is the problem now. Why? Because this can just go down. This could be all the correction, and this could be the end of all this structure which is there. Okay, so this could be the end, and this can turn down. So make sure you are not so aggressive. Look at that one. Okay, watch it. You see, if you will bought it there, you may ended up there with a big drawdown. Okay, this can just go down. Okay, and I'm warning you to not get in there. Or, like I said, just get in on the strong break to the upside. Okay, strong break to the upside will be better idea, much safer, and yeah, you will make money. If it will start to turn, you will also have enough time to close it on break even. Yep, you have to escape it like a rat. Get in and get out in case if it gets complicated. Okay, yes, I can see what you are saying. Good advice. Okay, you are welcome. Just listen. Okay, I bet that you will learn something. XLM, what do we have there? Nothing yet there. Okay, still pushing lower. We can extend that line a little bit more. We'll see some struggle, one more low before going higher. So yeah, wait until this move is finished. Okay, this is what we can have over there, and this move to the upside could be really nice. Okay, but just patiently wait. Don't get into early. You will not make more money if you will get in early. Okay, you will just lose more if you will get in earlier. So rather get in later, safer, and with the smile on your face. Okay, so let's go EOS. Correction. It's about to be finished. Let me just delete this everything from the chart. Let's have a clear chart. Be aware that daily can go for one new low. Okay, you may be careful over there. If this will start to break down, then we will see definitely a new low before going higher. If not, then you may see there. Okay, it's pulling back deeply. Okay, this is the deep pullback. I don't think it will break down, but you have to keep in mind in case if it will happen that you will know what the price is trying to do. So for me, it's over. Okay, it could go up. Okay, so this is the wave to the downside. This is the correction in the middle. It's wave to the downside. So now you can consider and now you can start watching it for a buy, but on 1 hour time frame. Okay, so what I just did. Okay, so I just misclicked. What you'll have to do is wait for any kind of the flag, then buy. Okay, you will do a nice job over there. So let me just draw this correction. This is what we are watching over there. That's supposed to be the end of the structure. So watch any kind of flag or somewhere there, buy it. This can go really, really fast if it will start to go. Okay, this can go really, really far. If not, then you're supposed not to be in the trade. Okay, is this all? Okay, so if trade is not going and if trade is not going in your direction, you supposed not to be into the trade. Okay, you have to have a strategy. Okay, have a strategy which will protect you from the bad trades. So keep your eyes there, watch for any kind buy setup, so the flag will be enough, then you can go for this buy. Okay, so wait, stay patiently, wait for this flag. Qtum. Okay, so Qtum, I think that one of you were asking for that pair. Okay, are you still with us? Let me know, use the chat. You are still with us. I think that you are over there. You've been asking about this analysis. ADA has a bull flag on the 4 hour. Yes, supposed to have it, yeah. Okay, so you are still there for Qtum. So I hope you don't have any trade over there open. Okay. There was one trade, how far back to the top, and when it started to struggle, take it off, and you're supposed to not have trade over there. Let me just redraw the structure for you so you will know what to do in the upcoming days. It will get ready soon. Okay, as you can see that the correction is about to be completed. You see, we made a new low. This is a good sign over there, so you can apply that trend line over there, and then you can watch for any flag. You can go for the buy. Okay, buy the flag. You may also buy it above this high, but you have to be damn fast. Okay, you have to be fast. If it started to struggle, take it off, wait for new buy. Okay, so same there, same scenario there. Okay, if you get in, okay, you get in. Then if it started to struggle, take it off on a break even or take your profit off and wait for a new flag above the high. So similar kind of a scenario, you will have to repeat it over there. Same behavior, same pattern, and just follow it. ANJ, what is this? We also have a guy that was interested for ANG coin. Okay, thanks a lot. You are welcome. Okay, I hope that I have answered all the questions you have about the Qtum or however is it called. Okay, ANJ Bitcoin. Let's see what do we have there. The price is still struggling, yeah, but it will get ready soon. Okay, so this thing will be ready soon. I think that all Okay, I don't think. I know that all altcoins are waiting for the Bitcoin to finish its move. Okay, so all the altcoins are waiting to finish its move. Then they will start to go high really nicely. So you have to be prepared. Once this will start to break, you can start buying it. Okay, so for all of you who are new into that crypto world, you're supposed to buy after having a sorry, you have to buy after having a flag over there. Okay, after the break, wait for the flag, then get in. Okay, this is much safe option for you, and you'll have enough time to take off your profit in case if this will try to reverse. Okay, this you'll protect yourself from those kind of the mistakes. SOL and INJ, please. Yeah, I will watch it. Okay, just a little bit. We have some more. We'll try to speed up. Okay, I don't want that this webinar will took for 3 hours again. Okay, so let's go. More than enough. I'm grateful. Okay, I'm also happy that I am answering all the questions and helping you. Okay, so let's go. This will go for one more low. As you can see, it is trying to push lower and it will go a little bit deeper. So be aware, be careful. Let's wait for this to finish, then watch for the buy. As you can see that they are all waiting for this Bitcoin move to complete. Okay, so hey all, hi to you also. Okay, you're a little bit late. There is more than a 45 minutes of webinar which you have already missed. We already passed the DOGE. Okay, I see that you are asking for the DOGE. we already passed the DOGE, so you have to watch the recordings. Okay, recordings will be uploaded under the stream tab on my profile of the TradingView, or you can simply go to my YouTube channel, and then there are the recordings. You can also watch the previous weekly market outlooks. You will definitely learn something, and yeah, that will helps you to bring you some profit on your trading account. One question is not about Q2, more basic. How do we find the quit point in a position? I'm not after minimum maximum, just average exit point. You have to watch the momentum of the candles on the lower time frame. Okay, so once the momentum will come over there, you have to close it. Strong candles there on strong breaks to the downside, this will indicate your exit point, or what, it will be even better, but you have to be skilled enough. You have to go all the way back down to the 15 minute, 5 minute, and 1 minute. What you will be waiting there, or how, what you will find there, if in case you are into the buy, okay, price will be going higher, and when you will exit, you'll see on 1 minute or 5 minutes strong break to the downside, a correction, and then this will be your exit point. Okay, if you are buying it there, okay, your buy is there. And if you see this on lower time frame, like I said, on 1 minute or 5 minute, then you just simply exit the position, or you are watching for the one more strong break to the downside, then you exit it somewhere there. Okay, this is so simple, totally simple and basic techniques how you will know where to exit the trade. And yeah, this also works in any kind of the market. That works on crypto, it works on commodities, it works on Forex, it works on stocks. Okay, basically it works all around on your market, all around on your charts. Bitcoin USD, there we already passed all that one. Okay, so you really have to look at the structure. USD yen. We will watch the Forex pairs. Okay, so stay patient. We are close to the Forex pairs. We will watch them. We have just to finish those them. I will try to speed up. Okay, I don't want it will take too long. What is your opinion on micro cap projects like New Gas? I didn't watch them. Okay, I honestly cannot tell you the opinion. I wasn't been watching on those projects, so I cannot give any advice about it. Okay, we'll watch it and I can let you know next week. Okay, on the next Sunday I can let you know more about this, because for now I didn't watch it. Uh, INJ Bitcoin, what is there? This correction is getting bigger. Okay, so as you can see, there was a correction, it went up, extend its correction. So this could be quite complicated. Okay, so what we can have over there is this bigger correction, double correction, and then it will continue to the upside. So be aware there on the INJ. Okay, you can have some troubles, but first, what you will do, okay, what you have to do is wait for this low, let it break, then take that buy. Once you will be buying it, okay, you may watch it closely where this is about to stop. If it will start to struggle close to the previous stop, you're supposed to take off your profit, because it will go for one more down. If not, and if the price will be aggressive over there, congratulations, you have a really nice trade which will give you a tons of profit. Okay, so this is what you will do. Really easy and simple technique which will help you. KNB, Canabo, and Argo Bitcoin mining stocks. I don't know about them. Okay, we'll have to dig deeper a little bit. JFI, this one, be aware, it can go lower. Okay, as you can see, that 1 hour flag, it's in the making over there, so make sure you are careful. Okay, this can correct, break down, and then it may turn. Okay, so try to stay away from them, at least for now. I will be buying it, buying them only once I will see the clear break correction, and then I'll take the trade. Okay, otherwise I will stay away from them. Okay, we also tag the top. Okay, that may not be a trouble. So this is what we can have. Okay, this move is really quite possible. Going tagging that bottom, and then it will start its way to the upside. This is just the huge flat which is trying to appear over there. Let me just draw it so you will know exactly in which structure are we talking about. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. We'll delete that one. Don't want to confuse you. We'll also delete that one. So definitely you'll be watching for this buy, huge buy over there. But the question now is this going to tag that low? Of course. Okay. I see that this price is about to tag the low before going higher. So stay patient there. Let it to complete, then we will start watching it closely for a buy. Ocean. Momentum is not there for a buy. Okay, so something is happening. This could just be the big structure for one more down. Okay, one more down, which can go also tag that low. So be aware, be careful, don't get into early. So what you'll have to do is wait on 1 hour. 1 hour is basically giving you one buy setup, which is not safe. Okay, this can just spike up and then going down. Okay, make sure you will not do this mistake over there. 4 hour. Let's see. You have to do the same. Okay, so if you were there, wait for the correction, and you're supposed to not have a buy. You will do the same there. Okay, you will do exactly the same scenario there. Okay, let it wait for the correction, then take the buy if you would like to buy it. Otherwise, just stay away from it. Okay, but this correction it's needed before you will be buying it. 1 inch, nothing is there. Okay, so price is just struggling and trying to give you the buy. If you would like to buy, just watch this break above the high, you can buy, otherwise just skip it. It can just call for new low and then going higher. So 1 hour will be enough to watch. Okay, this can just call down, breaking this low, so we have few more hours before this will start to push higher. You can may watch this buy. Okay, let it go lower, breaking this low, and then may watch for a turning point, get in on a strong break to the upside. AST Bitcoin, nothing there, leave it alone. Okay, it's keep pushing lower. That could be the bigger correction. 1 2 3 going lower, tagging that and then pushing higher. NAP, that one went higher. Okay, there was the impulsive movement, one correction, expanded flat, going higher. So on lower time frame, there was a couple of buy stops. Okay, there was the buy stop today, and then it just went up. Okay, so I'm not watching it. Okay, I'm not interested for this one. We'll just simply skip it. Okay, it's getting quite complicated. This is the correction, and this is still the part of the correction that can start to go down at any time soon. Okay, so be aware there. This can tag this trend line at any time soon. So rather do not trade it. Okay, don't trade it over there. Loom. Okay, Loom, what is it doing? There was double corrections for buy. If you're buying it, great. If not, let it do whatever it wants to do. It will go into deeper correction before you will have a chance to buy it again. Okay, so leave it. It's not tradable. MKR still there in this correction. Okay, you will just have to wait. Let it go lower again. It's trying to go deeper. It's trying to go deeper, tagging that trend line, and then it will start to push higher. Okay, you want to see the loss of momentum or whatever before you will start watching for the buy. FTM is going really nicely. There was a couple of buy flags, clear move. Okay, there's nothing to say more. How far is it going? Is going to tag the previous top. Okay, so really easy and simple to understand. You'll probably not have any buy stop anymore. Okay, if you bought it there, you did a good job. Bought there, good. Now you missed it. Okay, so you can just pray for the running flat. If running flat will appear there, you may have a one medium term setup. Okay, medium term long setup, probably 30, 20%, 30%. This is all what you will get out from the FTM if you miss it. You and I Bitcoin. Let's wait for the correction. You can buy above strong break high. Otherwise, this is going and extend into the bigger correction. Okay, so this is just the tricky trade. Just watch to strongly break above the high. AAV, not ready yet. Same there. It is trying to struggle down there. What you can do there is just simply wait for this strong break to the upside. Okay, so no trades there. Link. Link. What is trying to do is, let's see. Yeah, again, strong break to the upside. This is the correction, and this is just the one correction, but you have to be aware, no early entries. Why? Because this could be the correction, and then this is the extension, one more wave to the downside. Okay, something like this it will looks like, and then it will go up. Okay, so double zigzag, basically double zigzag. It's possible there before this heading to the upside. So rather stay away from it. If you catch any buy, you have to be really careful because it can stop somewhere there and then it will drop down. Okay, so something like this. Be aware there. Some of the setups are really not tradable, so I warning you to not even watch them. Okay, don't watch it because it may lure you inside. Okay, so DNT quite strong. Okay, it's still strong. Let it will complete the move over there. Okay, so Bitcoin move is this, and then it will start to push higher. So watch it. It could be a nice setup over there, and then you may consider buying it. Okay, something like this. This is where it can struggle before going higher, but not yet. Definitely not yet. Ethereum, Bitcoin. It is also struggling there, and then it will push higher. Uh, Alpha. What do we have there? Also watch there for the strong break to the upside. It's slowly losing the momentum. Okay, as you can see there, we have some loss of momentum. This is clearly showing us that this it will be also a good chart to watch it pushing higher. Okay, so you may keep an eye on it. That could be a nice trade. So put some alarms over there so it will you'll get notification on the right time. ICX deeper. Okay, this can go deeper, so stay away from it. If not, then this will just go for the sideways before going higher. So if you are skilled, you can watch for this buy. You can trade this buy. If you're not skilled, then you may stay away from it. Okay. With Bitcoin going lower a little bit, and then it will form you the buy setup, clear buy setup. LTC, I had that LTC over there. Okay, we already passed that LTC. I will delete this one. At the beginning of the webinar, I already added new one, and yeah, we already analyzed it, so I will not go again and analyze it. H barb, nothing there. Going lower, okay, so this will be the bigger correction, and then going lower, this is our expectations. What the price will do, it will go break this low, so you have a lot of time there. Okay, this is the impulse, this is the expanded flat over there, and this expanded flat is pushing lower. We have to see at least break of that low, so then we will watch it for the turning point. So stay away from this one. IOST, nothing there. It's gone. You already missed it, so you cannot do anything basically. Skip it. LSK. We've been anticipating for this sell. Sell, it's not strong, so let it go. I would like to see this tag of this low again before we will start watching for a buy stop. Okay, that's kind of the buy before doing anything. OMG Bitcoin, this one it looks good. Okay, so we have some loss of momentum over there. And yeah, what the price or what the chart's supposed to do is struggle there, couple more candles on the 4 hours. So you may see 2 to 3 days until the Tuesday, or maybe on the Wednesday, you may see some moves which will start to break to the upside. Okay, so this structure can start push at any time soon. Okay, keep your eyes. This will be your chart. Watch it, okay? Don't get into early. Why? It can just break down and you will have a drawdown on your account. So stay patient, guys. Watch this and then take the trade. It's a nice trade which will give you a wonderful risk to reward ratio. Okay, so at least this one, okay, 60%. Easy. Easy 60% of profit is waiting and watching. Okay, so if you guys are are patient enough, then the profit will come to you. This 60% will come to you. If not, then profit will just go away from you. You guys, did he look at stocks? No, I will watch the stocks at the end. Stay with me. We will watch the stocks. If you want to watch any stocks, just write down, use the chat, type the stock, and I will add it on my watch list and I will analyze it for you. Okay. Key and see Bitcoin correcting there. Okay, correction still in the play. We break the low. Okay, this is the good sign. It can start its way to the upside really soon. So yeah, this is really old setups from the previous outlooks. Okay, if you watch them back, I can bet that you will learn something new. If you are happy with our with my webinar, I do appreciate all the comments and all the feedback that you are giving to me. Okay, so and I will be especially happy if you will also share the link with your friends. Okay, because I'm doing all my best and my purpose there is that you will be making money. For now, since last 3 webinars, I'm having a really good messages, really good feedback that people are making nice money from that webinar and they are learning. Okay, so this is good. I will be keep going and keep sharing the setups with you, all the good setups and all the bad setups. I will share with you everything. Okay, so I hope that you will not pick the bad setups. Hope that you will be sticking with the good setups. Okay, so let's go. Let's continue with the webinar. Key and see, nothing there yet. ANKR is getting ready slowly. Let me have a quick look on daily. Oh, you have to be careful over there. I will be buying only above the high. Okay, this can break down. Okay, this correction can extend. This is what we can have over there, and then it can go down, but not yet. Okay, so this is just the picture which you have to take a screenshot and save it in your mind. Okay, so in case that you're trading, you'll know what the price is trying to do. So yeah, this correction is supposed to push higher. On 4 hour, you can see there the price is trying to form some sort of the 4 hour flag. 4 hour flag is good. We break the low, so you may start watching for your buy stops really, really soon. So this chart could be good for you. Okay, so this one is looking good. If it breaks down, what you will do, you will simply not watching it. Okay, DAI, nothing there. It's useless chart. Okay. Though at the nothing there, pushing lower, you can buy above the high, but this is not a profit, so rather stay away from it. Okay, so this is the problems what traders are doing. They are trying to get in there. So what is the problem? The chart will go only 5 or 3% and then it will turn. So if you will not be skilled enough and if you don't have the rules, if you don't have the exit strategy, then you will end up with a drawdown of at least 20%. Okay, and this will give you some frustrations and you will close the profit somewhere there. I mean, you will close the loss and then you will forget on the chart. You will return back after 1 week. You will see that the chart went in your direction and then you will get mad. Okay, so this is the story what usually happens to the traders that are asking me for my help and I see where they people are struggling the most and I would like to warn you from that kind of the situations and buy the MGF and thank me later. We'll watch it. Okay, so we will keep an eye on it. What are you watching? If you could look at Apple later, please. Kind of want to buy some. Yep, I will watch it. It's on my list already, and yeah, I will watch it for you. No, no problem. XTZ, nothing there. Quite aggressive. We want to see some loss of momentum first over there if you would like to buy, but the structure for now you can watch this one. Okay, this could be just a deep pullback. That can just lost some momentum over there, and then it will be a good chart to buy, but at least not yet. CRV Bitcoin, watch your eyes. Okay, your eyes supposed to be there. Okay, so that why this is there. Oh yeah, this is the setup from one of our traders from our trading academy. So basically, that's she. She was asking me for that setup to take a buy over there, and we have a discussion about this. So yeah, if she took the trade, then she's supposed to be already in the profit. Okay, so that was her entry point. Okay, I hope that she is with us now. If she is listening, then great. Okay, so she know that I'm talking about her. If not, then she know what to do because she's in my trading academy. So we will talk about this trade. But it's good trade. Okay, for her, what she will do, she will just watch how trade is going into her favor. For the others, what you can do, watch it also. Okay, that could be an interesting setup. Okay, it can start its way to the upside, but be careful. Why you have to be careful? Because this could really fastly turn into the correction. One, two, three. Then what? It can go for one more low, break this low, and then it will turn. Okay, so this structure will just get bigger, and hope you will not have entries somewhere there. Okay, your entry is supposed to not be somewhere there because you will have no time to manage your trade, and you will end up with a losing trade. Okay, so get in earlier if you would like to trade. Neo Bitcoin, nothing there. It's just gone. Bad setup. RSR Bitcoin, watch it also there. Okay, let's wait for some loss of momentum, then buy it. Okay, so what this error is there? Okay, come on, just misclicked. Okay, let it do, let it struggle a little bit there, and then one more buy. It's about to appear over there. What can we see? Let's have a look weekly, just a short look. I have to have a peek. Okay, so yep. Chart could be interested. So watch it, okay? Watch it there. This could struggle, and this will be your profit. This will be your trade. So watch it closely during the day, during the week. There will be definitely some potential that you may consider taking it. Okay, so I will also place some alarm over there. I will also watch it with you. Okay, so we'll see. Rand Bitcoin, nothing there, dropping down. I'm not interested for this one. Okay, as you can see, and as you can show me what I'm doing. I always watching and focusing on the big potential, on the big trades. I'm not interested in the small trades because there it's just the risk involved. Okay, I don't want to have a risk. I don't want to risk 5% to. I mean, I don't want to risk my account to make 5%. Okay, this will be really bad and stupid idea. So you try to prevent yourself from doing that kind of mistake. New Cypress moving. Yeah, we'll watch that one a little bit later. Ion Bitcoin. Okay, I have to speed up. We already took and spent 1 hour. Okay, Ion moving higher. There's nothing that you can do. TRB. You can watch it there. Okay, you can watch that one. Watch for buy stops. SNX. Nothing is there. Skip it. BLZ. Nothing there. It's going lower. It will go and break this low. So nothing is there. BTS Bitcoin. Going lower, probably you'll see the tag of this low. So wait. Okay, wait to tag this low before watching for any kind of the buy. LRC. It's trying to push higher. Okay, it will be really fast, ready for the buying. Okay, so what is this? Let me just delete this kind of drawing over there. So what we have there on LRC is this is the running flat. Okay, for me this is the completed running flat, and you may watch that one for our buy setups. Okay, so what you have to do is keep your eyes. It can go really fast and it can be ready really soon, so make sure you will not miss it. Okay, so let's move on. Stock, please, Campbell. Oh, you post a lot of a lot of stocks. Yeah, we'll have a quick look on it. 8 8 Bitcoin. What do we have there? Nothing there. Okay, this can just push lower. It's not interest. Okay, this spot it's not looking great. Okay, so I hope that we have ended with the crypto. So guys, do you have any questions about the crypto? If not, then I will have to move on Forex, because we already spent 1 hour and 10 minutes talking about the crypto. Hello, Shri. So we don't have any questions about the crypto. New is crypto. New. Let's have a look. Which one is that? It's not on my watch list. Uh, New crypto. Which one is this one? No, and stock chart. This is the stock. Yeah, I can have a quick look on this one. And Bitcoin. What do we have there? Nothing is there. Okay, so this could be the completed running flat, but we didn't still break top. Okay, so this is what it can happen: break the top, and then can turn to the downside. So make sure you will be careful there. Okay, there are many other better setups, so try to avoid it. Okay, don't watch it. It's not looking good. So yes, just simply skip it. It's not looking good. RVN, please. Did I miss TRX? Yes, you did. Okay, you sadly missed the TRX. Okay, watch the recordings. I will upload everything, so it will be on my streams and it will be also on my YouTube channel. So just watch the recording. Nasdaq 100. Yeah, we will watch on those also. You have the wrong one. You have the wrong one. How did you mean that? Which one? And oh, 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 that one. Eh, It's basically the same. You want against dollar, okay? And you want to see again some. Yeah, probably that one. Yeah. I hope that we have our correct chart now. Is this chart correct one? Okay, but you're supposed to buy it there. Okay, so you're supposed to buy it at least there, or there was a lot of buy setups. Now you cannot do anything. So if you have it, this is great. Let's keep it a little bit more. Okay, let's keep it more. Let's keep it for more candles. If it will start to struggle like this, take it off at 86. You did a great job. Okay, you bought it somewhere there. Great, but that's not gonna go far. Okay, your entry is a little bit higher. Try to taking it off. Okay, so if it started to push lower now, exactly now, if it started to deeping, if it started to pull back, close it. Okay, it's not worth of holding it, because any deeper correction can just give you the frustration. So try to avoid that kind of the mistake. YouTube, one guy is asking, can you go to lead Bitcoin, please? Yeah, let me do that fast for you. Lead Bitcoin. Lead Bitcoin. What do we have there is it's keep pushing lower. Okay, so this correction can just go lower, And yeah, this is what we can have over there. Basically, you don't have anything there yet. Okay, nothing is there yet. Be careful. Okay, so let me just draw that for you. What you can do is watch this, or like this. Okay, this is what you can have there, and then it will continue to the upside. So let's wait one more low, and then you can watch for your buys. Literally, please, sorry, less crypto. Okay, so this is everything for crypto so far. There was a lot of setups. Yes, we'll watch now the Forex. Okay, so Forex, guys, are you still with me? Okay, just use the chat. Let's see if you guys for the Forex are still there. Now we'll move from the crypto to Forex pairs. I know that at the beginning one was asking for the USD CAT. There's one more which is asking for your USD. Okay, we'll now watch it, watch them closely, and then we'll see what is on the Forex to trade. Okay, perfect. We have eyes on crypto, we have eyes on Forex, we have eyes on commodities. Okay, so this is wonderful. Wonderful job. Thank you. Okay, you are welcome. So let's go. Let's start. What was that? Let's start with the Aussie pairs. I will start with the Aussie pairs. Then I will go also step by step there. If I will miss anything, just let me know. I will answer the question you will have. Let's go. Aussie New Zealand would like to speed up a little bit because we already there 1 hour and 20 minutes. So don't want that this webinar will take 3 hours. Lira BNB. I will watch this at the end. Okay, so we already spent too much time on the crypto. Aussie New Zealand, what we have there, if you bought it there, you did a good job. Keep holding it. Okay, so what the price is doing, you can buy once again once this will keep pushing higher. So 1 hour, what is it trying to tell us? This can go into the a little bit deeper correction before going higher. So be aware of this kind of the situation there on Aussie New Zealand. Aussie Nokian, it already flies higher. So if you were buying it, you did a great job. So all the Aussie pairs was for buy. Okay, all the Aussie pairs for the buys, so you're supposed to have buys over there. And yeah, if you were buying it, there was a lot of buy stops. Great. Now you cannot do anything. You can just wait now for the correction before you will do anything. Okay, don't get in without having the correction because this can just turn to the downside and you will have a losing trade order. So be smart, don't be fast. Okay, but the potential it's really good. Potential, if the correction will be there, the potential it's really good. Okay, so this is the big daily structure which it has to complete before this will drop lower. Okay, so all the Aussie pairs are looking for a nice buy over there. It is a good idea to trade exotic pairs. It doesn't matter actually. Okay, so that makes no sense if this is the exotic pair, if this is the main pairs. Okay, so that's supposed to not have any impact on your decision. Okay, if you're using good strategy and if you know how to exit, where to enter, how to enter, and so on, that's supposed to not stop you. Aussie Sikian, okay, Aussie Swedish Crown. It's not Corona, it's Crown. Sorry. Corona word so popular those days. So let's go. Uh, Buy setup will be active there. Also, let it to correct there. Okay, correction there will be a perfect opportunity to buy. Okay, so don't get in buy there because you can end up with a losing trade. So what can happen? Look at that one. Exactly same scenario. If you'll be buying there, congratulations, you have a losing trade because you are too fast. Okay, so same there, copy paste. This can appear over there if you will not be patient enough. Okay, so wait for 1 to 3 correction, take the trade, and congratulations, you have a nice trade which can go really, really nice. Aussie USD, what can we have there? It's pushing higher. Wait for the correction. Take buys. Okay, buy will be slowly pushing higher. So you have a nice trade there. Aussie yen, same there. Okay, so keep on watching for your lower time frame buy setups. Okay, so keep on watching for buy stop. Sell, it's not ready yet. Okay, we don't still see the sells. Okay, sell, it's not ready yet. There is no signs of reversal. So all the Aussie pairs look for a buy. Same there, Aussie cat. Watch them for the correction. Take the trade to the upside. Okay, nice buy opportunities forming over there. Aussie chief. Same there, similar scenario. It can correct and continue to the upside. It doesn't matter. There is the channel. Why? Because this could be impulse, this could be only the running flat, and boom, it can just fly to the upside. So that may not change your thought. Okay, so this can just correct there and continue its way to the upside. So this is what you have to wait for, and this is when the chart will tell you what to do. Let's have a look on New Zealand pairs. New Zealand pairs are quite similar as Aussie pairs. They are keep pushing higher. They are showing a nice potential buy over there. As you can see that we are having a running flat over there, which is trying. Okay, so I just got disconnected my microphone. I'm talking too much probably, maybe too long. So let's go. Sideways, take the buy over there. New Zealand knock-in. What can you see there? Nothing there. Okay, this is on the critical spot. Okay, if it's correct, then you can take a buy, but be aware this is your spot where you have to watch. So this is your first target, probably 1 to 1. You have to be really careful. New Zealand yen, okay, keep pushing higher. There was amazing, wonderful buy stops. Been watching them in our trading academy. Okay, so they are playing well. So watch for the correction, take that buy. Okay, so also short term buy stop. It's showing over there. New Zealand USD, okay, it's doing really nice. I have posted the idea there. It went up, it went down. Okay, so it reverses and then one more sell, and based on that you're supposed to see that we are holding the trend line and there is some price action on lower time frame, and based on that you're supposed to not hold any sales, and this is the buy where you have to have the buy. Okay, so this is the play, this is the place, and this is the spot from where you're supposed to have your buys. What you can do for those who have missed it, let's wait for the sideways movement, something like this, then take the buy all the way back to break those tops, and I can see basically to tag the tendon. Okay, just extend it a little bit and then you will see a huge structure there. Okay, huge structure, so keep an eye there, watch it to buy the New Zealand pairs. Same there, New Zealand cat, watch for the sideways movement and then take the buy. Nice opportunities forming over there. How far? At least if you will extend there and see this one, it can go there, correction, and then it can continue the upside. So be aware that New Zealand cat is not that good idea. New Zealand Chief, it's pushing higher, still more to the upside to go. Okay, let's correct and one more buy. As you can see that all the New Zealand pairs are showing this buy. Okay, so one medium term buy stop. If you find the 1 hour buy stops, then congratulations, you will have a nice trade, but don't pick them all. Okay, only pick 1 or 2. Okay, I know that I'm talking really fast because I just want to speed up the webinar. been, been 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 talking about too much already. Let's go Canadian. Let's see what the Canada is doing. Canadian people are doing. Okay, so let's see. Nothing there. Okay, basically Canadian thinking it's not available. At knock-in, wait for the correction. You can take the trade. Be aware from that top. We can have some running flat from our downside. So yeah, you can watch for the sideways. Take the buy. At the end, this is my buy. I'm still holding my buy over there. We'll see now if the market will open, what the price is trying to do. Okay, and more continuation to the upside. Okay, Chief, what do we have there? Oh, there's one more trade also. Okay, so this is the trade and that I have took personally. What is it trying to do? There was the buy and there was one more confirmation for the buy. So what the price is doing? I am watching it to tag the trend line before I will watching to take off my profit. Okay, so I will be patiently watching to see what the price will be doing around the trend line. It can start to reverse, give me a sell stops, and then I will start selling it. Euro pairs. Okay, so let's see what the Euro pairs are doing. Okay, Euro pairs are getting some weaknesses across the market, so we'll see probably that the Euro pairs will be pushing lower. So based on that, Euro Nokia, I will be watching this as a running flat. Okay, and watch for your sell stops over there. Okay, so nice sell stop. It's preparing over there, and you have to just keep searching on lower time frames for your entry points. Okay, your second, it's already gone. Okay, you missed the move, you missed the sell. There was the expanded flat. Okay, 1 2 3 expanded flat, it went lower. Okay, be aware, it can just go for the bigger correction, but you can it's better that you will just simply skip it. Your Aussie went lower. There was one buy setup, a many sell setup basically. Okay, so if you missed it, you can jump in there. Okay, I cannot help you if you missed it. Okay, so if you're buying it, don't do that. Don't do that because it's looking to get weaknesses across the market. So you will end up with the troubles. If you want to join the sell, you have to patiently wait for the little bit bigger correction. 1 hour correction will be enough. Okay, so probably something like that is what you will be waiting, and then you will be able to join it. I've just noticed you don't use a lot of indicators. Interesting. Do you later on when going for a trade? Of course, I'm not using a lot of indicators on my chart because they will just make you blind. Okay, they will blind yourself. You will get basically blind, and you will miss the direction. Okay, the indicators are not there to help you. Okay, they will mislead you. Okay, you will end up with a wrong direction if you will be watching on the indicators. And one more thing about the indicators is that you will not be making money into the trending market. Why? Because here's the simple explanations. I don't want to take a little bit longer than 2 minutes. Let me just explain you this. Okay, so if you will be buying there, and if you want to take this buy, which will give you a nice profit, your indicators will start to show you oversold conditions. Okay, I've seen that oversold conditions word is really, 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 how to say this, rarely used. Okay, so people really rarely use these oversold conditions, and what the price will do, you'll find the oversold conditions there, then you will be anticipating the sell, and price will be keep going higher, and then you'll see again, okay, now we have our oversold conditions from there. Okay, and then the price will not go down, you will be selling, and you will end up with the losing trade again. Then again, okay, then you will say, okay, let's give chart a couple more days, and there again there will be oversold conditions again. So what you will do, you will be try to sell, and chart will be keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, and what at the end, at the end, when this move will be finished, then you will slap yourself and you'll see that you have missed a lot of profit over there. Okay, so this is what happens if you're using the indicators. Okay, 90% of traders got that problem. Okay, for those who are using it, I can bet that they have exactly the same problem. So try to not use the indicator. You have to understand the market behavior. Okay, you have to have the strategy, how to analyze and how to follow the trending market. Don't try to catch every single move. You just have to stick to the trending market. This is where you will make money. As you know that in the correction you cannot make money because you will be risking 1% and probably you will got stopped out because corrections are getting quite complicated and this is not good. So yeah, enough of talking. Let's move. Let's continue with the charts. Your USD, okay, been we have some question about the your USD. So great. Your USD, what you will have to do is wait for the strong break to the downside. You can simply join the sell if you will find the strong break to the downside. Okay, so that could be a nice trade, breaking this low, at least breaking this low, and congratulations, you will have a profit. If not, then this it will just start to push higher and it will break above that high. You may consider buying it if you're skilled enough and if you know how and where to buy. Otherwise, just simply join this strong break to the downside. Okay, this is really easy. Let me just copy this. Okay, watch for this, join the trade, and congratulations, you'll have a nice profit. Okay, just Stick to this. Strong break to the downside. Thanks. I understand that this is a good way of thinking. You are welcome. You're New Zealand, okay, you missed the sell already. There is no sell, you cannot join it and you cannot sell it anymore, okay? So it's not set up for you. Your cat went lower, there was the expanded flat, okay? You're supposed to sell it on the Friday. If you didn't, then don't try to get in now because this is really late and you can again have a problem. So okay, this can just pull back and you have a losing trade, or it can even reverse and you can blow up your account if you will delete your stop loss. Okay, and this is what you're supposed to not do. Okay, stop loss is there to protect you. Okay, you have to be stopped out on the right place if you are wrong. Okay, stop loss is there to protect you. It's there for you. It's not there to take your position and go. Okay, so you have to place it reasonable. Okay, once you are right, you're supposed to get out of the trade. Okay, year yen, this is the good trade. Okay, watch it in the next week. There it will be a nice opportunity there on the euro yen. We have a nice correction over there. It's supposed to push lower. This is the only euro pair which you did miss already. Okay, so yeah, this is the wave which you can watch. And yeah, keep on watching for the continuation there. Don't get in once the market will open. This is the wrong idea and wrong way of thinking. You have to wait there. Okay, wait it, watch it, and then wait if the price will aggressively pushing lower. When you say indicators, you mean EMA, RSI, etc. Yes, exactly. Okay, the one guy already answered you. Yes, I do not recommend to use any indicators. Okay, all those indicators will give you problems. Okay, they are there to give you the problems, not to help you and serve you. So yeah, try to learn and understand the market behavior. Okay, the candles are enough. Okay, candles are there which will tell you, not the candles, sorry, the structures. Okay, candles will not tell you anything because those people are using those doji candles, hammer candles, engulfing candles, and so on, which are not good. Okay, this is useless on your chart and you're supposed to not use them. They will also mislead you. So try to understand the market structure. Market structure is the key to predict the upcoming wave. Okay, you have to study them. MACD is really powerful. Okay, if you watch in the previous webinars, you'll see once I have explained how I'm using it or how you can use it to help predicting and trading. Okay, I think it was previous week or 2 weeks ago. Just watch it. Okay, it's upload there. Find it. You'll see. Let's go. Euro GBP. Nothing is there. Okay, since previous weekly market outlook, you will see and you will know that we were holding the sells from there. You're supposed to take off your profit. Okay, this is enough for you now. And watch it. Watch there for the bigger correction before you will do anything. So you cannot trade on your GBP. Also, your chief, what do we have there? That one went higher because of the chief. Okay, the chief has pushed the euro chief higher. So what we can do there is just simply wait. It's non-tradable. Euro chief, I will stay neutral on euro chief. Okay, so only pair from the euro will be euro yen to watch it, and euro USD. Okay, euro USD will be also the good one to watch for the strong break to downside. Okay, this could be interesting to watch. It doesn't mean we will take the trade. We'll have to see the potential setups if we will take it. This is the question of the market. If it will give us the signs to take the trade, then we will get in. Otherwise, we will just watch it. Pound pairs. Okay, pound pairs are quite specific. Why? Because pound pairs has some more room to the upside. Okay, they are still not completed. Okay, so don't get in too early for the sell. Sell will be a nice opportunity, but you will have to be patient before this sell will appear. Okay, they still have some more room to go. Okay, so what the price can do, this expanded flat can form over there and you can have some problems. Okay, 1 2 3 expand flat and then it will go higher, so be aware with the pound seeking, for example. Other pound pairs are quite similar. Thanks again for the advice. Okay, you are welcome again. So as you know that I'm here to help you and give you as much value as possible, so you will learn the best. It is It's out of. It's out of. Okay, here's the question on Trading View. Again, it's out of your today's topic, but I need to understand stop loss and take profit from you, if possible. This is possible. We can have a talk on the next webinar. Okay, so try to be with us on next Sunday. We can have a discussion about your question. It's a good question about stop loss and take profit, and we can take a look. Okay, you will learn something. We will see. Okay, just be with us next Sunday. So let's go. Let's move on. It's already 1 hour and a half. I've been talking too much. I know. I know that I'm talking too much. So for those who are interested, they can also join my academy. So you guys are welcome. For those who are interested to join my academy, just simply send me the private message. If not, just simply go to my website. You will find the link under the published idea or every YouTube or TradingView stream. Okay, so it's really easy to find the links. Okay, you will also find that in Telegram group I have attached my contact, so you'll be really easily able to catch me. Okay, or just simply go to my website tradewithmaster.eu, and there you will find much more about my academy, what I do, how I do, and so on. Okay, so let's go. Let's move on. Pound USD. What do we have there? It's still pushing higher, so there was a quite buy setup, and yeah, let's go. Basically, we just have to watch it. I'm just laughing because my honey is my wife is sending me the text that she's hungry, and I'm too long there. Okay, she already prepared the dinner for me, and I keep talking there on the webinar. So let's go. Nothing there. Pound USD, pound Aussie. That went lower because the Aussie rise. Okay, Aussie rise has push the pound Aussie down. This is good. Okay, why this is good? This is a really good. This is a flat completed correction for me. And what can we have there? Boom. This will be our trade for the upcoming week. So all the pounds are showing one more wave to the upside. Not that big, sorry. My arrow just flew away from me. All pounds are looking for one more wave to the upside. Pound Aussie will be good opportunity. If there will be any loss of momentum and buy stops, it will be worth of taking and watching the pound Aussie. Okay, so keep your eyes there on the pound Aussie. Wonderful idea. Pound yen, it's keep pushing higher. Okay, there was a lot of buy setup. If you took them, great. Now you cannot do anything. You can just watch how the chart is going without you. Okay, this is not frustrating. This is just how it is. Okay, if you miss something, you cannot get in. You cannot jump in. Okay, you never ever supposed to jump on running candles. Mount New Zealand, what do we have there? Nothing there. Okay, just simply ignore it. It's sideways. Pound chief pushing higher, probably correct one more high. Okay, if you started the wave to the downside, you have to see the strong break correction, then you will be selling it. Okay, but you have to give it some time. You're supposed to not sell on the first red candle. Okay, don't be that crazy and that fast. Pound CAD, it can just struggle there. One more high, it's possible, and then we will see whole market going lower. Okay, I mean whole pound pairs will go lower. So on 1 hour you cannot find anything. Okay, there may be one buy setup. Okay, one short-term buy setup. This is all what you can have, and yeah, 1 to 1 maybe is what you will have from this chart. But basically, what you have to remember from the pound pairs, we are watching for a big sell over there, which is not ready yet. Okay, it will take a couple more days before this will complete. Bon appetit. Thank you. But my dinner is getting colder, so I have to hurry. Let's go, chief. Mm, I don't recommend you to do anything. Okay, if you were selling it there, and yeah, watch for the bigger correction on 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour is the correction which you'll have to wait. This is gone already, and this is not good. Okay, if you missed it, and what you will have to do is wait for the correction and then take the trade to the downside. Okay, just search, be patient, give it at least 1 day for this correction to complete before taking the trade. Chief Nokian, pushing lower. It will probably go a little bit lower, but there is something like flat is in the making, but not tradable. Okay, stay away from it. Chief Siki and also stay away. There are no setups. So there is the USD pairs now to keep an eye on it. I have to put the DXY index over there. Okay, so DXY index, what I do anticipate from the DXY index is it will be keep pushing lower. So how far? At least breaking this low, but I am anticipating it will go much deeper. Okay, much deeper, at least breaking and tagging that low. And this is what I do anticipate. So keep on watching that the USD will drop down. Okay, so sell on USD pairs. This is what we can have over there, correction, and then it will keep pushing lower. Okay, so this is what I see and what you should do. uh, this is the correction which will push lower. Okay, 1 2 3. This is the okay, my microphone has just turned off. Okay, this is the impulse expanded flat and it will continue to the downside. So yeah, watch it for more cells. They're also using knock and will go lower. Okay, but it can go for a little bit higher. This could be 2 3 candles, fast wave to the upside and then drop down. USD can same there, sideways and then lower, or it can just this sideways or this 1 hour correction can just simply break down. Boom. Okay, same there. USDN, same kind of the behavior. Okay, so this is what we can have over there, breaking down and then it will keep pushing higher. This will give us the running flat 1 2 3. Okay, so some sort of running flat is forming over there. Let me just I cannot tag you. Okay, this is okay, 1 2 3 running flat. So keep watching for your buy stops once this will be ready, but it is not ready yet. It can just keep pushing lower. The USD could be the reason why this is going lower. We'll see. Okay, but definitely you want to take the buy. It's a big opportunity and big picture. USD chief, same there. We have a impulse. We have expanded flat, really sharp expanded flat over there. So watch for yourselves over there. Okay, so next week all the way back to that bottom. So keep your eyes on lower time frame and make sure you will not miss it. USD cat. Okay, we have a question about the USD cat. It went lower over there, and there was the running flat. Okay, as you can see, running flat, and it's keep pushing lower. So take the trade to the downside. I mean, you supposed to take it already. Now you cannot do anything. USD Mexican. There was the question about an USD Mexican. So what the price is doing? It's pushing higher, higher, higher. At any time soon, we will see the break to the downside. Okay, so make sure you will be watching for this sell. Okay, so sell is your friend over there on USD Mexican. Gold, what do we have there on the gold? The gold is trying to push lower. We are in the big structure, as you can see. Okay, so what the price is trying to do? I think this will reverse to the upside. We break the bottom. We break the bottom and we are trying to reverse. So you can find any buy stops and take the trades to the upside. It will be good opportunity and will make sense, okay, rather than sticking to the sell. It's not looking good and there will probably be no sell. Okay, so watch for your buy stops. Silver. Silver has completed the correction. Okay, this is the complete correction. What you can do, keep on watching. Okay, this could be a nice opportunity to take some buys. Chart is already breaking out, it's correcting, so that could be a nice opportunity to take some buy over there. Let me just tag it. Okay, this is what we can see, and you can buy above the high there. Okay, buy above the high. Previous high will be your target, so keep an eye. Good luck. Sugar, it's pushing higher. I want to see the deeper correction before doing anything. I'm not interested to take any trades over there. US oil. Okay, I just my mouth has is dry. I have to grab a sip of water. Give me a minute, guys. Okay, US oil price is going lower. Okay, we'll go lower, give you a bit bigger correction, and then it may push for one more high. Be aware, once it will break it, it can turn to the downside. UK oil, same there. Okay, so same picture is there. You can go for the sell. How far it will go, I don't know. Be fast. this can just go and then it can turn to the upside. So make sure you will be enough fast to recognize that this is not dropping down. Okay, at least I don't see the continuation to the downside over there, at least not yet. Okay, I see more upside, at least one more up before dropping lower. US 30, all of them looking for a sell. Watch them for a sell, don't buy. Okay, don't try that the market will confuse you and you will start watching for the buy. Okay, this is what you want to see, and continuation to the downside. Okay, so keep an eye there, watch it for more sell. Nasdaq 100, same there. Okay, watch it, more downside. Okay, so keep on watching for your sell stops. You can find the setup over there probably when the market will open, and this will be your target. Okay, so keep your eyes. All the indices supposed to drop. Same there, SP 500, late to correct, drop down. Okay, I don't think this will go for one more high. German 30, struggling there. I want to see them dropping lower. Setup, it's not there. Sell, it's not ready yet, so skip it. UK 100, watch for your sell stops. It could be a good trade. Okay, so strong break to the downside is what you can keep an eye on it. Okay, it is worth of selling it. I will leave this on there. So yeah, watch it, watch it. Strong break to the downside. Good idea. Daily, if you watch the daily, you will see that potential is there. Okay, potential is there. That's it. Okay, so we have just a quick look on the Apple. I know that one guy was asking for the Apple. Let's do this for him, and then we will end up the webinar there. What do we have there is the chart will go higher, but it's not ready yet. Okay, so this will go higher, but it's not ready yet. Why this is not ready yet? This is the wave to downside, this is the wave to the upside. We break the top and we need some more down. This will give us a nice running flat before this will continue way to the upside. So what you can do, okay, so if you're trading, if you would like to buy the Apple, let's wait. Okay, once it will break, once it will crack there, then you can consider buying it. Okay, this is your buying spot. Don't get into early, because these can just struggle down, and you will be watching your red numbers. Okay, you want to see the red numbers as minimum as you can, because red numbers will change your way of thinking and it will change your direction of the trading. So try to prevent from having a red numbers. Okay, so I would like to end the webinar here. Okay, it's been 1 hour and it's almost 2 hours. Okay, so it's been a really long webinar. I've been watching a lot of setups, and the stock market opens in the morning. Please tell me your thought. What is this KMB LSC? What is this? Okay, one guy wants this LSC. Can find that one. KMB LSA. Can you just retype that one? I cannot. Canabo. This one, yeah. Canabo. Probably it's supposed to be that one. Okay. We'll watch it. No worries. No stress. I hope that I'm watching the right chart. Is this the right one? That one is okay. Oh, this is a lot. Really small data. Small data on your chart. Let's move on 15 minutes. It will go higher, but it's not ready yet. Okay, so there's really bad data on the chart, and try to avoid trading it. So what the price can do, you can watch the break correction, take the trade. Okay, it will go break the top, but don't blindly buy now. Okay, because it can still go pushing lower. Okay, be really careful about it. Thank you. The one stock exchange. Let's see. Thursday best. Okay, just buy it only above this strong break to the upside, okay? Because it can curl down, okay? Only break above it, because it could be quite riskier, okay? Could you please spare 2 more minutes on? No, guys, that's too long now, okay? It's been too long now. I see that. Have a nice day, man. Thank you very much. I see that a lot of people are really learning from it. I tuned in for the last 10 minutes and I learned so much just from that. Thank you. You are welcome. Okay, so I really appreciate that feedback. And okay, thanks, was you are the man. Enjoy your meal. I will enjoy my meal. It's almost cold. Thanks you so much. Okay, so let me repeat once again. If you guys are interested to join me, okay, you can join my academy where we are talking and watching and discussing everything. Okay, so we are discussing for the setups, for the potential setups all day long, and you are simply sorry, you will be able to join me. Just simply send me the text message, or you can simply go to my website page. You will find the links below the published idea, below the video, below the published charts. You can also contact me through the Telegram. Okay, in the Telegram, you will see that I have pinned message with my contact, and you can simply send me a message and we will talk how you can join my academy. Okay, so thank you so much. Hope that we will see you next Sunday. Okay, as you know that every Sunday I am having a free webinar for you, for every one of you, and prepare your questions. I will help you to answer all the questions that you have. Okay, so if you're happy, just share the link with others. Take care, enjoy your day, and see you next Sunday. Thank you very much. I appreciate it a lot. Bye bye.